One of the questions I get from family and friends is, what is the difference between an AI agent and AI automation? Because for them it seems quite natural that it is kind of the same. So let's break it down with the differences. The reason why I'm going through the difference between an AI agent and the AI automation is because a lot of people expect the AI automation tool to do the AI agent task, which is not possible because the AI automation tool is very limited. So to avoid frustrations, I hope I could break the difference down to you a little bit to help you make future decisions a little bit easier. Let's start with, what is AI automation? Automation tools are basically tools that follow clear instructions given by yourself. One of the key features that AI automation has is that it does a task with very high accuracy and very fast, because it's only repeating the task again and again and again. The great thing is that AI automation definitely reduces the chances of human error, because it literally is only focusing on the task that they do every day, all day. Basically, the AI automation tool does no thinking. There is no drama, and it's just a robot level consistency. There is literally no room for any kind of guessing or any kind of elaborating what it could mean. It is just very black and white, if you like. There's no violet in between. So AI automation is designed. Am I the only one having difficulty sometimes to say AI automation? Anyway, I don't know. Maybe it's just me, but yeah, AI automation is basically designed to reduce repetitive tasks and is following fixed rules to ensure consistency and speed, because we want to get things done like yesterday, and therefore it helps us a lot. Now let's talk about what is an AI agent actually. So I sometimes like to refer like ChatGPT and Grok and Cloud and Gemini, all these AI tools that we know at the moment, where we type something when we have a question and we get some feedback. I like to refer them to AI agents in a very broad sense. Think of the AI agent kind of like your colleague who listens and learns and gives you advice and suggestions if you ask them, which the AI automation tool cannot do, because it only is fixed on what it was given as a task and doesn't think beyond it. So let me give you an example. Let me give you a very, very, I think, easy example. So let's say you are at the traffic light, and the traffic light is set to change every 30 seconds. So every 30 seconds it changes from green to red. I needed to think here for a second. Yeah, it's red. And it does the same thing all day, all night. That would be basically the AI automation. However, it's great if everything always is, if the traffic is equal and there is no emergencies or whatever. But if you do have an emergency vehicle, or let's say it is busy because people are dropping off their kids to school, or people are coming back home from work, then an AI agent would actually make more sense, because it can analyze the situation and be like, hey, I'm hearing an ambulance. At the moment, this lane is red. However, it actually should be green, so that the cars can move aside and the emergency vehicle can actually pass through. So that really is a key difference in that example between the AI automation and the AI agent. One personal scenario that I have very often, if it comes to the AI agent, is that I very often ask them for a cooking recipe. And I do that because, sometimes I have it that in my fridge there's only a cucumber, one aubergine, a tomato, onion, and then some completely different stuff like mustard or marmalade, something like that. And I'm like, what the hell am I supposed to cook with that? I have no idea. So what I then do, I just type everything in that I have in the fridge or in the freezer, and then I'd be like, do me a recipe, give me a recipe, tell me what I can do with it, because like my imagination sometimes has a limit, not often but sometimes. And yeah, so I asked them what I can make, and you will be surprised. I invite you to actually try it. The kind of recipes that come up, sometimes it's nice, sometimes not really, but it's an experiment to do, to just go into the fridge and see what you have, and just tell ChatGPT, Claude, Grok, whatever your favorite AI tool is, your favorite AI agent in that sense, and see what results you get. It's really fun, or not, depending on what you have in the fridge, but let me know how it goes for you. So in that sense, an AI agent, so to sum it up, the AI agent is basically your personal digital assistant that adapts the conversation and help you through very complex and thoughtful tasks so that you have it easier. Let me know what type of person you are. Are you more of an AI automation guy, or do you prefer to have more AI agents that you use on a day-to-day basis? What kind of person are you? And also, it would really mean a lot to me if you can visit my Stan store, check it out, see if there's anything you like, and also leave a comment and tell me what you want to know more about. I'm here to guide you through any questions you have. I'm also learning. I'm at the beginning of my journey. I would love for you to follow me and be part of my journey, and hopefully I can be part of your journey, whatever you're learning. Let's go through it together, and I would really love